Hey, great day to you. So there's something that you might have not known about Helium 10, the software for Amazon sellers, and I want to share it with you in this video because it might be very useful for your Amazon business. Now, the thing is that Helium 10, you get a free account for it, free trial, best discounts in the description. It actually offers you a free course once you join Helium 10. So if you join any of the paid plans of Helium 10, Starter, Platinum, or Diamond, then you get a really good A to Z course for how to sell on Amazon and even how to sell on Walmart. It's called Freedom Ticket. You have a link to the course down in the description if you want to see the landing page. And you might want to invest now in an expensive course or something. Makes sense. You can still do it. But Helium 10, the software, gives you a free course once you join the set of tools, the Helium 10. So not many people know that because I've seen it in some of our communities. People just are not aware, and that's fine, but now you are. So in the description, again, free trial, free account of Helium 10 with the best discounts, and also the link to the Helium 10 Freedom Ticket page so you can learn what it is. What is this course? But basically it's an A to Z course, how to sell on Amazon, especially for the private label model, but also for Walmart as well. So you might have not known this about Helium 10, and now you do. So all the links are in the description. And I'm wishing you happy learning with Helium 10, a lot of sales and good health to you and your family. Good luck.